Welcome to AI Legend. Today we're diving into the thoughtful art of writing personalized thank you cards with the help of ChatGPT. For this video, I'll just guide you a simple step by step. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you create the most meaningful thank you cards. Let's jump right in. Starting with a warm and genuine opening line sets the right tone for your thank you card. It's the first impression your message makes, so making it thoughtful can transform a simple thank you into something truly meaningful. Now let's try out a prompt together. For this example, imagine you're writing a thank you card to, let's say, a friend who supported you during a tough time. So here's the prompt that we'll be using for this right over here. And so we'll send this off now. All right. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. All right. As you can see, here's what it suggests. It's something like, okay, let's read it out. Your support has been a light in some of my darkest days, and I can't thank you enough for standing by me with such kindness and strength. Wow. So, with just that one prompt, we get the message right here that feels genuinely appreciative. So, this kind of opening line sets the stage for a thank you card that's warm, personal, and impactful. The next step is adding those personal touches that truly make the thank you card memorable. Including specific memories or shared experiences can make your message feel unique to the person receiving it and shows them that you're putting in extra thought. So let's say you want to thank a friend who organized a memorable hiking trip. So ChatGPT can help by suggesting ways to incorporate details from that experience in a way that feels natural and heartfelt. And so here's the prompt down here that we can try right over here. And now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with for a personal, meaningful message. All right. Here we go. So ChatGPT right here has given us three options for based on the prompt that we just added right here. See? So let's say we could go with the first one. So it says, our hiking adventure was exactly the escape I needed, and I'm so grateful that you planned it. So here's the second one of a stanza that is for the first one. Walking those trails with you reminded me how lucky I am to have such an incredible friend by my side. Okay, that is actually really sweet just to read that. So, see how that response not only thanks them, but also recalls specific parts of the trip? So, adding personal touches like these makes the card feel genuinely thoughtful, which could create a lasting impression that shows how much you value the time spent together. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's talk about how to wrap up your thank you card with a strong, memorable closing. The way you conclude can leave a lasting impression, reinforcing your gratitude and appreciation. This is especially important if you're writing to someone who's made a significant difference in your life. So let's give ChatGPT a try here. So, for example, if you're writing to a mentor, we might ask ChatGPT for a closing line that shows appreciation and eagerness to continue learning from them. So, here's how we phrase that. So, note, for instance, you can ask this specific prompt for not only showing gratitude to your mentor, you could always learn like a life lesson to your friend, how to move on and such. So yeah. So this is, for instance, for a thank you card for a mentor, that is. So here it is. So let's see what ChatGPT suggests for a meaningful closing. All right. So let's wait for a while. Okay, here we go. So this is what ChatGPT suggests. So let's take a read. Okay, let's read for both of them since ChatGPT had suggested two options here, one with sincerity and enthusiasm, and one for more personal touch. So let's go with this. I am incredibly grateful for all the wisdom and guidance you've shared with me. I look forward to every opportunity to continue learning from you and to grow under your mentorship. Thank you once again for your unwavering support. Now let's read the one right here for personal touch. Thank you for being such an inspiring mentor. I look forward to the path ahead, knowing I have your guidance and encouragement along the way. All right, so these kinds of closing doesn't just wrap things up. It reinforces your gratitude and shows that you're excited to keep the connection going. With just a few words, you leave the recipient feeling valued and appreciated, which is the perfect way to end a thank you card. And there you have it. ChatGPT, right here with all the help. Crafting a personalized thank you card has never been easier or more impactful.